Hi guys, we received this desktop file folder and letter tray organizer for reviewing purposes. So let's take everything out of the box. Okay, it's a 4-tier organizer. So let's take everything out. Let's see. It needs a little bit of assembly, but it has all the instructions and it says you need to assemble it. Okay, as you can see here we've got the instructions. So I'm gonna start assembling. Okay. Okay, yes, as you can see, it's already assembled. I think it's a really nice function because you can organize different things in your desk and it gets easier, cleaner. You don't have everything all clumped up. I'm place all my things that I need in here. Okay, so I can have it at hand. I'll place the charger, some staples, scissors, and this part I'll place the tape. My stapler. This notebook I'll place it in here while this two are here. This and the wrist. I think it's excellent to organize your desk, have less stuff all clutter around you, and it's a great option. You can have it however organized you want. As I said, this is how I want it. I have in here some little stuff, in here bigger stuff. I like to have this plant in here, and I think overall it looks really nice. It's all metal and it feels of an excellent quality, which I think it's perfect. I would recommend it. See ya.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.